I know what I'm looking for is not down this aisle. I should get some candy, chat. It's the brown berry. The brown berry is good. Cause these shits might be like $1.50 peanut butter cups, but it gonna melt. Now when they start selling this, they never had this. Oh, let me see. We're gonna get the pack. They got the lemon pepper tuna fish, y'all. We're gonna go with the. We want to go with canned tuna, and we're gonna get some chips. And like they don't have anything. Chili flavor barbecue. The kale barbecue. We're gonna try these. That'll be it. We're gonna get some to drink. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Here is another video, and today we're going to make we're going to be making a tuna sub I got from Dollar Tree. Only thing I did get from Dollar Tree was the sub bread and the red. It's like I had forgot to um get that. So and but they ain't have nothing in there. So they had lemon pepper tuna fish. I'm like, ugh, that sounds really nasty. So what we right here we got eggs. So we're gonna make all 4 eggs, and then I'm going to come back and do the rest of the stuff. By the time the egg almost done, then I'm going to do all of the other stuff that need to be made with the tuna fish. So I'll see you guys later. Once the egg is done, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video.
A few moments later.
Okay, I am back. The eggs are done. We're going to make the tuna fish now. We're going to open these. Hold on, let me get. I'm back. We're gonna get some scissors. Let's get a spoon. Uh-oh. I thought I opened it all the way. I made 3 videos within 2 days. YouTube videos within 2 days. And I still gotta make another video tomorrow doing my pedicure. And then I'm gonna be relaxed. Then I'm gonna relax for the rest of the month and half of July as well, because I already started on my July. I already started on my July content as well. So I want to bring, like, keep having more videos that's coming out ahead of time. I love to schedule instead of doing the day by day. That mean I have to find, if I post the videos back to back without nothing to do. I don't like posting back to back, because I really doesn't. I don't have anything to do if I put all the videos I'm making now and just post them back to back. I'm not going to do it that way just because I don't want to do it. Unless I get money, I can just go out and do stuff, and then yeah, I can just push it out back to back. But right now, I can't do it. But in the meantime, y'all go shop at my website, Elite Essential. I'ma post the link in the description. Y'all go check it out. Really need it right now. I'm gonna be back. Now I'm going to put the radish in here. I ain't gonna put that much in here. I'm gonna put mustard. I probably have to go back to the store probably later on this week and get some bread, like some extra bread or some crackers. I might get crackers. This will be my dinner, you guys. In the meantime, once we stir this up, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and wait till the eggs cool down, and then we're gonna come back and fix up the sandwich. See it right there. I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay, I am back. I peeled the eggs off camera. Now we're gonna put the eggs in here and make our tuna sub. What I'm having on the side, I have some kale barbecue chip with a side of Coke. Hmm. I probably won't need all these eggs. I made 4 eggs. I want to do all the eggs so I won't have to. That's 3 eggs right there. Oh, no, it was 4. That was 4 eggs. Check. Now we're going to mix it and chop it. How y'all day is going? How this beautiful day is going? I went to Walmart, as you can see in the video. I didn't record Walmart because I only got lettuce and the sub bread from Walmart. I should have went early this morning, but I don't feel like going nowhere half of the time. So I just, if something comes to my mind, if I want something, I just go straight to the store, you know? Now we're going to cut the sub bread. I got my little plate right here. Sub bread, we're going to cut it right here. I'm gonna keep the booty on. I'm gonna keep the butter on this time. I know they cut. I know they turn it. I know they cut it off, but I'm going to keep it this time. So I can make me a. I can make about 2 more sandwiches, 2 more sub with this tuna, right? I mean, with the sub. Now we have the bread cutter. Oh yeah, I need cheese. Forgot the cheese. See it right there. We're gonna put the lettuce on. We're gonna put the lettuce and pickles and stuff at the bottom. I'm gonna put the cheese and put the cheese at the top. You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna put the cheese right here and put the pickles right here. I love pickles, chat. I love pickles. I eat a whole jar of these, like literally by myself. The whole jar by myself. You think I need pickles right here? Now we're going to. Now I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna be right back. This is the final look. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna mess this up.